How to find a MetaQuest pin. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. To find a MetaQuest pin, there is no direct option. In order to do so, we can easily recreate a new MetaQuest pin. For that, open up your MetaQuest. At the bottom, you should find the three horizontal lines, that is the menu option. When you select on it, you will find the settings option. Just tap on the settings button given to you. In the list of settings, you need to navigate to your account settings option. So go ahead and select on account settings. Select on security, then tap on current pin. As we have forgotten our pin, just tap on forgot pin. Once you select on it, you will get the chance to enter a new PIN. For that, just create a new 4-digit PIN, then just confirm the new PIN. Once you have entered your new PIN, tap on the Save button given to you. And that is all. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.